Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 5, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'll be reviewing the Ghostek Atomic Slim 4 case for your Galaxy Z Fold 5. I've been using Ghostek for a while now. I really do like their design and just how good their cases normally fit. I need to give a shout out to them for actually sending this case out to me for review. They sent me out one in black, and then this color is called Prism, which looks really cool. In this video, I'll probably will just try out one and then, or maybe try out both of them, but only install really one of them. Like we normally do in our videos, we'll make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? Can you wireless charge? Does it add bulk to your phone? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. I will have links that you can pick up this case from their website and even a discount code, so that way you can save some money on this case. And by hitting that link down there, it does support the channel. But nice packaging. They always have some great packaging. It says RS7X shock absorption technology, 12-foot drop tested. It says wireless charging compatible, non-slip grip, raised camera lip. It has a hinge cover on here, limited lifetime warranty. All these great things. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. But I love the packaging. Let's put this one on the side. Let's get into this. So this helps you remove the adhesive strips on there. I learned that last year. Bam, it has a cover for the back. Get a little Ghostek. Little sticker, little, I don't know, bookmarkers maybe. More little cars there. You even can get some trolling stickers here. And then here is the front. This front is hard. This is a solid case. So what I'm gonna do is pause the video, go remove all the strips, and let's see how good this case actually fits. All right, so I was able to remove the adhesive strips. This case is built, man. This is definitely a heavy-duty built case, but let's see how it fits overall, though. Okay, nice and wrong. No, nice and snug. Okay. Let's try to get this case in there. So it's going to fit really great. Okay, let's try the back now. Now it shows off the beauty of your phone, but you get that hinge protection. First thing I noticed, it does add bulk to your phone. I wouldn't do this with any case, but I don't think that this case will let my phone break. Now the power button, okay, so here's the thing with the power button. Look how deep that is. It's in there, so you have to really, they need to skim this down some to really allow you to get your finger in there. But I can look, it will work, but it takes a little bit more work, because if you try like this, it won't. You have to kind of like put your finger on the side. Same thing with the volume rockers. Now if you have the case open, it's not bad. The volume rockers are easy to get to, but once you have the case closed, it takes a little bit of work to get your finger in there. So this is so bulky here that I think they need to put an indentation there or something to get better access to your fingerprint scanner and the volume rockers there. So that's one thing I noticed there. But overall, it is a great fitting case. I mean, look at it. You do have hinge protection there. It's kind of, you don't have pen support, but this won't scratch up your screen. Now when you open it up, yes, it does cover a lot of your front panel there. I mean, you can see it covers up some of it. Now you do get camera protection there. You definitely get a lot of camera protection. You have Atomic logo there. You also get lip action all the way around it. As you can tell, I mean, that's a lot. You don't, when you place the phone down, you don't have to worry about scratching up your display at all. Even in the inside, you can get some protection there too. You can see it. I'll make sure the case is installed correctly. Opening and closing it. Doesn't really move. It does attract fingerprints though there. Everything lines up at the top. You have a lot of room for your charging port, the microphone, and then the speaker port down there. You can get, like I said, you can get to the fingerprint scanner. This is definitely a heavy duty case, and it takes a lot to move this off of there with the adhesive strips on there. But which one do y'all like, the black one? Let me unbox the Prism and we can check out that color really quick too. I'll be right back, y'all. All right, everyone, before I put that back on there, I wanted to show off the absorption technology there. You have it there, and then you also have it here. So that gives you that shock absorption when you drop the phone. That will help you protect your phone too, but protects the back from getting scratches too. But let's check out the Prism color here. All right, so this is the Prism installed. You have Ghostek branding that. I didn't mention that on the black one, but this is the Prism. Then you have the front that has that same design and color. I mean, it's just, I don't know, that looks pretty cool. Can you wireless charge with this case? Let's check that out. And yes, you can wireless charge with the case on there. There's no issues doing so, which is good. But let's just recap. It does add bulk to your phone. You do get a lot of lip protection, covered display protection there. You also get the camera protection that you look for. Everything lines up really well at the top and the bottom. The only little complaint I have is the fingerprint scanner and the Vine rockers are so much into the phone. The cases are a little bit thick there. They could shave this down some just to make it a little bit easier to get to. But y'all let me know, which one was your favorite? Do you like the Prism color, or are you just simple and just that one color of black? Do you like it? It comes in different colors. You can check out the website, check out my description. Again, anytime you buy something from that link, you do help the channel out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forwards Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.